Dear student, in today's lecture, I will tell you the interfacing of microprocessor 8085 with 8259, the programmable interrupt controller PIC chip. Okay, the introduction of 8259 we have discussed in very detail. Okay, why we have used 8259? Because to increase the number of interrupts. Okay, so 8259 will increase the number of interrupt, and now we will study the interfacing of 8259 with 8085. Okay, so see here, this is the diagram. This is the 8085 IC. Okay, this contains 40 pin. For I have shown only these pin because these pin are useful. You can show the other pins over here also. Okay, so that is not a very big deal. You can show the pins, or if you don't show, doesn't matter. Okay, so see here, this is the 8259 PIC. Okay, programmable interrupt controller. Okay, so these are the number of interrupts. Okay, because 18259 has 8 interrupts, I02, I7. This is the highest priority interrupt and this is the lowest priority interrupt. Okay, so whenever any device interrupt 8259, the 8259 will interrupt the MUP through INTR signal. Okay, and then MUP will send the INTA bar. Okay, so MUP will ask for the ISR address because this is the signal which is non-vectored interrupt. Okay, this is the non-vector interrupt where ISR address is not mentioned. So MUP will ask the ISR address through INTA bar. These all we have discussed in the introduction lectures of 8259. Okay, now this is an IO device. Okay, so MUP will communicate with any of the IO devices. Like we are having various IO devices, 8259, 8255, that is timer, and 8279. Okay, 8254. Okay, so MUP is connected with all those devices, and all these devices have their specific address. Okay, as these are IO devices, so the addresses are of 8 bits only. Okay, we have discussed this in the classroom. These are IO devices, so their addresses are of 8 bit only, as IO devices has 8 bit addresses only. Now, so several devices are connected to MUP. Then these devices have their specific IO addresses, and if MUP wants to communicate with 8259 only, okay, then MUP will give that address to the address decoder, and that address decoder will send the signal to the chip select. Here this is the very important signal, chip select. Okay, through which we can do the address decoding, as well as we will select the chip. So once if this signal, this is an active low signal, so once if this signal will get the value 1 over here, means 0 will come over here and this will be 1 because this is an active low signal, then only this 8259 will be selected and then interfacing will be started. Okay, so this is the way through which MUP can give the address. Okay, so if MUP wants